Welcome to this lesson on the past perfect tense. In this video, we'll learn about the positive form of the past perfect, with structures like I had done and she had eaten. The past perfect is an important tense that helps us talk about actions that happened before other actions in the past. The structure of the past perfect positive is very simple. We use the auxiliary verb had followed by the past participle of the main verb. For example, she had eaten lunch or they had finished their work. The past participle is the third form of the verb. For regular verbs, this ends in ed, like finished or worked. For irregular verbs, the past participle is unique, like eaten, written, or gone. Let's look at some examples. First, I had finished my work before noon. This is a regular verb. Second, she had eaten breakfast. This uses the irregular verb eat. Third, they had left the party early. This is another regular verb. Fourth, he had written the letter. This is an irregular verb. Notice that in all these examples, we use had followed by the past participle form of the verb. The past perfect shows a time relationship between two past actions. Imagine two events happening in the past. Action 1 happens first, and action 2 happens later. We use the past perfect to talk about action 1, the earlier action. Then we use the simple past to talk about action 2, the later action. This helps the listener understand the order of events clearly. Let's see how the past perfect works in real situations. First example, when I arrived, she had already left. Here, she left first, then I arrived. We use past perfect for her leaving because it happened before my arrival. Second example, by age 25, he had traveled to 5 countries. This shows that the travels were completed before he turned 25. The past perfect helps us show what was done or finished before a specific time in the past. One important thing to remember, the past perfect form is the same for all subjects. Whether we say I had done, you had done, he had done, she had done, it had done, we had done, you had done, or they had done, the form never changes. We always use had plus the past participle. This makes the past perfect very easy to use because we don't need to worry about different forms for different subjects. Let's compare the past perfect with the simple past. The past perfect uses had plus the past participle, like she had eaten lunch. The simple past just uses the past tense form, like she ate lunch. The past perfect shows the first or earlier action in a sequence. The simple past shows a more recent or second action. So if we want to say someone ate lunch before doing something else, we use past perfect. If we just say they ate lunch without any time connection, we use simple past. Let's review the key points we learned. First, past perfect equals had plus the past participle. Second, it shows the earlier of two past actions. Third, the form is exactly the same for all subjects, whether singular or plural. Fourth, we use it to show the sequence of events and to talk about completed experiences before a specific time. These points will help you use the past perfect correctly in your English conversations and writing. Practice using it, and soon it will become natural to you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.